Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. On this video, I am going to discuss about the stock selection and what about our previous day, yesterday's selection, how it has worked well, and that I am going to discuss in this video right now. So again, if you are new, kindly subscribe my channel. So this is what the Reliance we are expecting. 2 days, it is a doji at top. How many this day? We marked the level for a doji where it is around 2655 and 2676 would be the stop loss for the trade, and almost how many point is around 21 point is the risk for the trade where the doji which forms at the top. I think we have some who made already profit on that trade by intraday, but yesterday we discussed about this condition because three consecutive candles which is forming at highest level and consolidation. After a big rally, there is a consolidation at that highest level would be the chances to reverse the market. So that is what happening in today's thing. And finally, Reliance is fall down towards uh, almost 2604 from the top level. Here is the selling entry, and this is what a stop loss. We took just few point as a stop loss. Is it right? Only 20 point as the stop loss. From there, that particular entry of 2655, it's fallen down to nearby 2600, almost 2650 points, which is generated as a profit, that is 1 is to 2 or even 1 is to 2.5 risk reward ratio. This way, this way we can find out the reversal when the stock forming a doji or hammer at the topmost level. So that will give you, and yesterday also same kind of doji, 3 consecutive days there is a consolidation, and let's see today is the big move on that particular stocks. Today those who are made profit by using this identifier, candle identifier, so you may be getting good chances to make profit. And today someone who made a profit on that also, it is very good, and best of luck to you. And this one worked well. And yesterday we discussed about 𝐭𝐶 motor. So today market is fall down almost 248 points, almost 250 points. Nifty were down, and Bank Nifty it is around 750 points. It's gone down. But yesterday we thought that is 𝐭𝐶 motor, but I'm not telling you to for intraday. It's a positional trade where we find out 𝐭𝐶 motor. It's a spinning top at the top, right? Or doji at the top. So next day, today's entry is 3. The high entry price is 3438. If we go for a 5-minute chart, so what happened? 3438. Let's look at that. There is no entry. In the first 5 minutes candle itself, it is crossed above our entry point. So there is a risk, and also it's not easy to catch that moment at opening itself. But if any case the market opens like this means, so we need to wait for that first 5 minutes high to break. So take entry, right? But there is no opportunity on that. But if you are waiting for the same level to enter means it is closed somewhere around the 25 point loss, but it never trigger your stop loss even though market is fall big today. But these stocks are sustained at the highest level. So let's check it out. So it triggers you the buy entry and it is closed with the loss, but it is not intraday trade. We are talking about positional that was worked well on that particular stock, even the market is almost 1.5% down, but it was sustaining that. And the second stock which we have taken is GNFC, that was by shooting star. Let's look at this. By opening itself, this is opened by gap down from our entry point. Let me check it out 5 minutes, but after that it going down very big from somewhere around our entry point is 783. By yesterday we discussed about the stock, but let's check the first 5 minutes what happened in the stock. Let's find, this is what the first 5 minutes of that our entry point got triggered in the first 5 minutes itself. If you are waiting for a breakdown below the first 5 minutes candle, so this is what our entry point. here almost 778 something. That is what our entry point where we have taken, because after that our entry triggers the first 5 minutes high and low is 779. Instead of selling around 783, we are going to sell 4 point lower. Or if you are waiting for the same stock, there is another opportunity which is near to our entry point again. After a down, it retraced our entry level and then it fall very big. So from 779, even if you are going to take this 5 minutes low where the market is coming down to 759, almost 20 point, it generate you as a profit today. And overall market is down today, all the stocks will work, but each and every day we are finding some stock that was working better on tomorrow's trade. That would be best using the candlesticks pattern that always performing good and well, right? So this is another stock, and which is giving you such a great opportunity where we are finding by candlesticks pattern. That is what hammer, sorry, shooting star, right? So a lot of patterns where we are finding out based on the candlesticks. Let's look at this. So huge benefit on GNFC, and we took the risk around 83 to 98, almost 15 points, more than 20 points down in a day. So that was good and better chances to make money by using the candlestick strategies. Then I'm going to check some strategy we discussed about yesterday. That's about shooting star by daily. We find out these stocks by yesterday. Let's check how these stocks are worked. So these are the stocks we find out by yesterday. It is forming a that what shooting star, right? So one is Lara's Lab. So today market is overall negative. Okay, all the stocks will perform well. So this is what Lara's Lab where we are waiting for a 589 and it start by 590. So we may getting entry and 578 is the low. That is also working. And the reversal, let's look at this reversal. So here at this point reversed and it now giving you profit. It's not about intraday, it is a positional trade, but next day itself what we are expecting that is happening, entry, and it moves as per our expected thing. So we can book profit, but it is a continuation. The reversal we are expecting down on that chart. It's a positional basis, not for an intraday. But if you are trading in intraday, that was working well. Lara's Lab and GNFC, that is what another one which we have already seen, right? GNFC, that is also works well. And Indo Hotel and Sun TV. Indo Hotel, what happened? Indo Hotel. That's also good, worked best, and there is a entry point around 274. That was yesterday's low is 274. Once it is broke 274, it come down to 269, almost 5 rupees down. So if you are going to check the 5-minute chart when it is giving you entry, so there is a low, almost it is happening at 935. After 935 274, it fallen down towards 268 at around 1230. So there is a great trade opportunity from this point and slightly consolidate and within state fall and made a low of 269. So that was giving you some great opportunity to take a trade on that. And what about other one, that Sun TV? Let's go for a Sun TV. TV, what happened? Oh, it increased. We check it out. Okay, this is what as shooting star we find out, but there is no opportunity below this level. Instead of that, it moving higher and a little bit moves higher and closed by nearby the cost price. So where to take entry, but I am not interested to take a long position because this candlesticks pattern which I am focusing for a selling reversal. That shooting star works well. By yesterday we created a scanner, right? So let me try it out. We use 3, na? So we already tried 2, no? 2, and today you see City Union Bank, IEX, LNT, HCL, Tech Mahindra. These are the stock which forms a shooting star. Let's go for a Tech game. Maybe tomorrow we can see that is next. Yeah, perfect one on Tech game. So the perfect shooting star. Tech game is good. HCL and LNT, HCL Tech. That is also be a good shooting star. And LNT. What about LNT? LNT by it's come. Sorry, LTI. another shooting star. So good. So yesterday we did with the two number two. We may find a lot of stocks from there. One is PNB, another one is Idea. So both are low value stocks. We ignored it, right? So this shooting star and hammer will help you to make such a great trade decision at the highest to lowest level. So using the 2.2 level wick, right? So we have some stocks, take KMSCL, LNT, and let's go for IEX. IEX in the morning it went higher and then it fallen down. So already it went higher and again it has fallen down. Another shooting star, but as already it forms a shooting star and gives and works well and better in this particular. So again a shooting star, but we are not going to focus it out. But if it is continues the trend, if it is breaks the low, but this is a entry point where we have taken already in IEX. And then City Union Bank. City Union Bank. What about City Union Bank? That is also another perfect shooting star. So from tomorrow, that next trading session you can watch Tech MSCL, Lesson and 2 Pro, Infotech, and instead of IEX, City Union Bank. So another four stocks we got by the shooting star pattern that may be giving you some opportunity for next trading session. I hope this video may be useful to you all. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends if you have liked it, and kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much.